Hello, my mathematicians. And what we're going to work on next is another word problem. And in this word problem, it says Faith has 3/4 cup of sugar. She needs 1/8 of a cup for a batch of cookies. So how many batches of cookies can she make? So we need to take our whole amount. So what is our whole amount? Our whole amount is all the sugar that we have. And we have 3/4 cup of sugar. Okay, that is what we have. Here's our sugar right here. Here's our 3/4 cup of sugar. And in order to make one batch of cookies, we need to get 1/8 of a cup from that. Okay, but how many 1/8ths can we get out of that? How many batches of cookies can we make? So what we're doing is we are taking our batch of cookies, or our 3/4 cup of sugar, and we're dividing it into groups of 1/8ths. So here I have a fourth. If I cut this fourth in half, I get an eighth. If I cut this fourth in half, I get an eighth. I cut this fourth in half, I get an eighth. And that fourth I cut in half, I get an eighth. So now I have that 3/4 of a cup of sugar turns into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eighths. So therefore I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 batches of cookies. Each one of these is one batch of cookies, so I can make 6 batches of cookies. So what does that look like? All right, well, we'll start here. Remember my whole amount is my 3/4 cup of sugar. And I'm going to divide that by how much sugar I need for each batch. I need 1/8 of a cup. So I'm going to divide by 1/8 of a cup. All right, and remember, we're going to keep change flip, right? We're going to keep our dividend, change our symbol, and flip our divisor. All right, so let's do that. This is going to become now 3/4. Doesn't change. We're going to keep it. Our division symbols become multiplication, so we're going to change that. And we're going to flip our 1/8 into 8/1. And then next, we're just going to multiply straight across, right? Straight across. So now what we have is, this is going to equal 3 times 8. And 4 times 1. Oops. And that's going to be 24. 3 times 8 is 24, divided by 4. 24/4, which is going to be 6. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So we make 6 batches of cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batches of cookies. All right, so hopefully that helps. Remember, we have to identify what the whole thing is that we're dividing. What is the whole thing that we're going to divide into different parts? Okay.